State versus Aaron Bates, 15-65. Aaron Bates. Residential burglary, criminal attempt to commit residential burglary, theft of property.
Your Honor, I represent Mr. Bates. We're in the process of attempting to come to a resolution in this matter. We don't have that today. We'll leave it as scheduled. Is he scheduled to come back before you at early July? Perfect. That's all today, Judge.
Very well.
Thank you.
State versus Matthew Sutterfield, forgery, 4 counts, 14-268.
Your Honor, this is Mr. Gray Dillinger's case, and he has asked me to stand in for him today. And I believe, Your Honor, that there's a police statement in the file that Mr. Sutterfield has already signed.
Is he to be sentenced pursuant to the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I believe this gentleman appeared in front of Judge Webb.
Yeah, it looks like
with
Judge
Gray
Webb
Dillinger,
took.
and he took this gentleman to plea,
Okay.
and he waited on sentencing, and I think that Judge Webb has agreed that you can do it, and he will sign the sentencing.
Okay. Sir, you were earlier judged guilty of 4 counts of forgery.
Yes, sir.
On each, you'll be sentenced to 3 years in the Department of Correction to be suspended on the terms and conditions of probation. Condition on each will be you serve 6 months in the Community Correction Center. That'll run concurrent. You'll pay $200 in court cost, a $1,000 fine, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee. Within 60 days after you're released from the Community Correction Center, you'll begin making payments to the Sheriff's Department here in Baxter County at the rate of $100 per month.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, he had previously this week pled guilty in Israel County to 9 months CCC. It's my understanding that that time will run concurrent, that this time will run concurrent with the Israel County charge.
Very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
15-97, State versus Jacob Morley. Mr. Morley, I'm looking at a police statement. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this your signature on both these police statements?
It is.
Do you understand the what's in the police statement and the charges against you?
I do.
Do you understand the range of penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
In case number 15-95, are you pleading guilty to 2 counts of forgery? And in 15-97, are you pleading guilty to also to 2 counts of forgery?
Yes, sir.
By entering these pleas, you give up your right to have a trial and you cannot appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering the pleas freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Other than the sentencing recommendation, have you been promised anything in order to get you to change your plea?
I have not.
Have you been pressured or threatened in order to get you to change your plea?
No, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty of these crimes?
Yes, sir.
Are they, what, is this another counterfeit money case?
Yes, Your Honor, this defendant on or about December of 2014, he put together some counterfeit $20 bills, went to McDonald's here in Mountain Home with a young lady, and utilized a $20 bill while in McDonald's, went through the drive-through line and used a second bill. He also then went into the dollar store.
I used it one. $20 just
3 bills.
Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
This time, sir, I'll accept your plea and judge you guilty in both cases. In 15-97, you'll be sentenced to 5 years probation, a condition of which will be you'll be sentenced to 1 year in a community correction center. In that case, you're to pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a $200 public defender fee, a DNA fee of $250, a $20 booking fee, $731.47 in extradition cost, and $60 in restitution. In case number 15-95, As I said, you're judged guilty. Again, you'll be sentenced to 5 years probation, condition of which is you serve 1 year in a community correction center. You're to pay $200 a cost, $1,000 fine.
Unplug those to
Public
see if this will
defender
work
fee
now.
of $200, DNA fee of $250, $20 booking fee, $60 in restitution. Pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after you're released from incarceration. Payments are made to the Sheriff's Department in Baxter County. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.